Electactic sent me this gas grill right here to review on my channel. I'm happy that they sent it to me because I think this one right here is going to be a good one for you. That's going to be in your budget. So let's get some specifics down on it and see exactly why this grill may be for you. First off, you got a thermometer right here that says reaches up to 1,000 degrees. So yeah, that's pretty hot right there, right? And then you got 4 burners right here, 8,000 BTUs each, plus your side burner, 10,000 BTUs, total of 42,000 BTUs right there. So that's pretty good right there. It's going to keep it hot. Let's check the inside. All right, now this right here was where it matters as well. So you got the in the middle tank flamers right here. And then, of course, you have your cast iron grates right here. Heavy duty right here. They will last a long time. I'm gonna have me some fun with them right there. Now let's check right here. Bottom. So it's pretty good size. You see it hooked up. And what space right here, if you need to put anything else right there. And then right here, if you need to pop the top right there for your favorite beverage. Check it out. Yep. There's the back. Yep. Right here is where all your drippings will go. Good thing to do is put some foil right there. Help keep it clean. Yeah, that's what I plan on doing. And here's your drip tray right here. Also foil this up. This will help to keep it clean. Where all your drippings go, and then they drip right in that hole right there. All right. And then your side shelf with 4 hooks right there. Hook your accessory utensils. Then the other side of the shelf, side burner, you got 4 more. Yeah. And then I think what matters to a lot of people, especially whenever they leave their gas grills outside, is right here is 304 stainless steel. It's going to keep together in any type of weather. Yep, stainless steel right here. That's what you want. Yep. And then 4 caster wheels with the locks up front. Keep it in place. You ain't going anywhere. Yeah. So I really love this right here. I'm gonna have some fun cooking on this right here. So now that I mentioned cooking, well, let's get some cooking done. All right, so now each knob can be individually turned on. So let's just start with this right there. Hit the igniter. There it is. Anything with that. All right, now they're on. I don't know if you can tell. But yeah, so I'm gonna keep it on hot for right now. All right, so I'll bring it back when it's time to put some hamburger patties on, some bacon, grilled jalapeños. Oh yeah. All right, you got some bacon. Oh yeah. I only have the middle burners on right now at low. I went too hot, so I'm just checking just to make sure. Might be some hot spots, but so far so good. And man, it's smelling good. Alright, so I just got these two, like I said, burners on low. Look at that. Beautiful, right? They're done. Bake in. Man. Oh yeah. They're done. So I'm gonna take them off and I'm gonna put the burgers on, the patties. Alright, let's get those patties on. Hear that sizzle. Alright. Oh yeah, we grilling, right? Yeah. Tell me, I am loving this. That's jalapeños to it. Alright, burgers, patties, they are done. So I'm going to take those patties off, put the hamburger together, and I'm going to eat. So this grill right here has been fantastic. Gotta have the cheese, right? Alright, you're coming off. Yep. Cheesy. Cheesy. Alright. Alright, time to shut it down. Time to eat. Alright, I gotta show you this. Look at that. Toasted buns, cheeseburger, bacon, jalapeños, shredded lettuce, and But again, thank you for sending me this grill that you saw. I had a ton of fun with it. I'm gonna cook on it again. So much I'm gonna do on it, but it was just a great cook. So just that was my rundown of it. I think if you're into the market for a gas grill and you're looking for something like this, I think that to be in your budget, it's something that you should go ahead and get it. I give it thumbs up on that. It just, look at that. Yeah, burger. But yeah, but hey, cheers. The bun's still toasted. Jalapenos got a kick to them. with it right here. Well, yeah, I think this is a fantastic gas grill. So if you're in the market, I'll put a link down in the description below. Click on it and check it out. But hey, it's time for me to go inside, for me to grill. Family's waiting on me. So, as always, thank you for stopping by. Thank you for watching. Smoke on, everyone. We'll see ya.